1 o'clock. 1:25. Just starting to snow. So it's the next morning now and it didn't snow. What the heck, man? Waiting for this darn snow to come and it ain't coming. Man. Unreal. My junior Subaru. Nice shape, eh? But looks like it's starting to snow again now. It's about 10:30 a.m. day after New Year's. It's cold still. It's cold for it to stick. Just needed to snow. Snow, baby, snow. Snow, baby, snow. Marty's Motorized Mayhem. He's got all the snow. He's out riding his snowmobile and making snowmobile videos. Come on, Marty. Send some of that stuff this way, dude rocker. The Outlaw wants some. Marty's Motorized Mayhem. Send me some snow. Have to get more corn. Day after New Year's. January 2nd, 2012. Still harvesting corn. Gotta love it. About 1:30 in the afternoon, and here comes the snow. Waiting for this so-called 4 to 8 inches, or 6 to 8 inches, or 3 to 6, whatever they're calling for to come in. Be nice to get that 4 to 8. We'll see, huh? And what the roads look like now, let's see what they look like in a couple hours. This is New York's first big snowstorm. Yeah, it's almost another 12 hours since the last time I videotaped. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, a.m. It's like 1:30, I think, or something like last time, and it didn't do nothing all day. It started snowing a little bit earlier when I went out front, but nothing happened. So now we're in a lake effect warning from 6 it was till a couple days now, I think, on the 4th. So we'll see what we get. 3rd or the 4th, I think, the lake effect warning was in. Hopefully something will be on the ground by tomorrow. 24 hours and nothing. And it's been doing this on and off. Maybe it'll stay this time, who knows. Yeah, it looks a little different. Well, still not enough to plow. You still see the driveway right there. They've been plowing though. Enough to go out and play with. Hear the plow coming down the road now. They've been through here so many freaking times scraping what. Here, tearing up that new road. Tearing up that new road. It's a little plow. Yeah, Bud just pulled in. See, there's nothing in the driveway. Half an inch, half that. Since 1 o'clock this morning. Wicked snowstorm, huh? Ooh. Yeah, it's about 2:18, 2:20. Stopped snowing. came out and swept the porch off. As I say, it's pretty light. I don't know if we're gonna get any more or not. Big red shining. Shine, big red shine. I'd like to see a little more snow though, so we can at least try plowing. Looks like my lens is a little dirty. Gotta clean it for you guys. And we'll clean up the driveway in a little bit.